This is a Princeton planter that we use at Highland Hill Farm to plant our small trees and shrubs in the field. It's a one-man planter and one man on a tractor, but you can use two. We usually just have one operator on the planter. We use it to plant pines, spruces, viburnums, burning bushes, and a host of small trees and shrubs. And this is the tractor that we use to pull it. It uses a fairly large horsepower tractor to pull this planter, and it plants upwards to 3,000 trees and shrubs in a day.
Is that good?
Yeah, very good.
After we're planted and all straightened, we put in a drip water line. Watering is a very critical part of transplanting because if you don't get adequate moisture to the tree will die. And the first couple days are very critical. So that's the next thing we do right away. In another couple days, we'll put some pre-emergence herbicide on this as well.
It will take us several years before trees that we plant today are ready for sale. However, we do have a variety of ways we sell this emerald green. We sell it balled and burlapped, and we also sell it potted. So if you want emerald green arborvitae, you can call us at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329. We're located in Fountainville, PA, near Doylestown, just north of Philadelphia. Plus, we do deliver and plant to most eastern U.S. locations. Again, call us at Highland Hill Farm, 215-651-8329. Thank you. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.
Those trees are doomed.
Are they really? Yeah.
Yeah. Those arborvitaes are doomed. The other day I saw these arborvitaes that were just recently planted and made the comment that those arborvitaes are going to all die, every single one. And it's hard to imagine a nicely planted arborvitae, properly planted at the correct time of the year, at a good quality location, would die. To the arborvitae, they will all die. And it was hard to understand until you think of it in terms of God. Not that everything born dies, but those trees were over-mulched. God did not invent the mulch truck. In a forest, there's probably no more than 1 inch of debris on top of the forest floor from the trees each year. And that debris rots in a cycle. So there's usually no more than 1 inch of mulch. That's what you should mirror when you're planting your trees. These arborvitaes were mulched with probably 6 to 8 inches of mulch up over the stems of the trees. All those stems will rot where the mulch is covering the tree. Not only that, the mulch competes with the root zone of the arborvitae for oxygen. The mulch is going to decay over a period of time, and the microorganisms that decay the mulch will be competing for oxygen. So as you go down deeper and deeper and deeper into the root zone, there's going to be less and less oxygen. So the tree will starve for air. Not only that, this mulch harbors bacteria that can affect the trunk and girdle the tree itself. And over a period of time, this tree will decline and then die. The obvious solution is just to pull the mulch away from the tree and have no more than 1 inch of mulch on the tree. So if you're planting your arborvitaes, make sure that your arborvitaes are planted a little bit out of the ground, maybe a couple inches or 2 inches out of the ground so they're not too deep, and use no more than 1 inch of mulch at any time on top of the tree. And if you have any questions, or if you're planting a lot of them, you may want to see our video on our drip irrigation line and how to set it up for your arborvitaes. But if you have questions and need help with your arborvitaes, give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. These are orange rocket barberries at Highland Hill Farm. We also have another barberry called the Sunjoy Gold Pillar. And we also have Crimson Pygmy barberries. So give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your barberries. Call us at 215-651-8329.
The orange rocket barberry has a rich scarlet red foliage which fades to a soft orange red all season long, finally turning to a brilliant crimson red in the fall. It has attractive flowers and showy red fruits after the leaves fall. It's an attractive plant, but not to deer. This plant is good for mass plantings, hedges, screenings, general garden use. The orange rocket barberry will grow to about 4 foot tall at maturity and spread to about 24 inches wide. It usually grows right from the ground up. This shrub does best in full sun to partial shade and is adaptable to both dry and moist growing conditions, but it does not like wetland soils. If you need any orange rocket barberries, you can call us at 215-651-8329. This is Highland Hill Farm.
Welcome to Highland Hill Farm, where we have thousands of trees and shrubs for you to come see.